Hi everybody, it's Brad here again from T.CON. So we've taken a look at multiple different scenarios. Of course, now that you're running an MES system, or have been running an MES system, you've collected a vast amount of data. So production data, machine data, and the question is now what can you do with that data? So inside of our system, we have integrated analytic list pages from SAP. So we have various different views that are available. And in this example, we're going to take a look at times. So here you can click and we can see we have an automatic view that has already been set up. So at the top, you can see various different smaller graphs and information to analyze that information and see some various key facts on the running time, as well as a graph here below. So this is a combi overview. So you have a bar chart as well as an overview, a table of the time. Now you can change that on the fly. We can click here and say, hey, we want to just look at the chart, or we just want to look at the data. We can go back to a combination of the both, or we can change the type of overview we want to have. We can switch it to a pie chart, look at various different pieces of information, or we want to narrow in on data. Let's say, for example, we want to analyze the runtime more specifically. So in this case, in this time frame we're looking at, we can click on runtime, and then that data is automatically sorted and made part of the visualization below. So there's various different ways. This is just one example, but it provides a great way to analyze the data you're collecting within the same tool. Of course, it is also possible to export this information to Excel because that's the data tool that everybody's using. So that is possible as well. So that's just one small overview on what you can do within MES Suite from T.CON. And in future videos, we'll take a look at other options.